So my bank sent me an email that they are offering a 5% high interest yield APY CD. So that's like higher than anything on the market right now. The Feds raised the interest rates. I mean, it's been coming down, but that's why a lot of these high yield interest accounts are offering higher percentage right now. What I like to do usually is go on Doctor of Credit's website, and they have a list of all the high yield interest accounts, what their percentages are, and then you can open that link and you can see what's the details and if it's a good option for you or not. I don't like go chasing interest rates like point something or even maybe 1%. I've kind of stuck with one account for a while as it's fluctuated, but it's really cool to see what all the options are. And if you don't have a high yield interest account, you need to get one. It's FDIC insured. It's not traded in the stock market or anything like that. Usually high yield interest accounts, they might say like they need 24-hour notice if you're going to pull a bunch of money out, but I haven't really had any issues. I kind of use it like a savings account, a checking account. I just take money out when I need it. Just keep all my savings in a high yield interest account so I could be earning interest. This is a whole list of what's available right now. So if you go on Doctor of Credit's website, you'll see the same list and see what works for you. I'm not recommending, Doctor of Credit. They don't even know who I am. So I don't care if you go there or not, but I just want you to go and find a high yield account, start earning money on your saving money.